Making fresh flour tortillas at home is a real treat and very easy to do. You will want the best tortilla press to do the job properly. You will want an even press and as non-stick of a surface as possible. We researched currently available tortilla presses, read customer feedback, and sifted through professional reviews. Today, in this video, we are going to help you to find out the best tortilla press for flour tortillas in the market. If you want to see their price and find out more information about them, you can check out our links in the description below. Number 1. Victoria Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Durable and handy. The Victoria Cast Iron Press is hard to beat with its low price point. The handle is easy to grip, so you can easily press down on a small round ball of dough. And there are 2 tabs on each side of the top plate to make it easier to lift up and remove your recently pressed tortilla. This press is also a perfect size for making arepas or empanada wrappers. Because it has a textured surface, when it comes time to clean, it will require a bit more time and care to ensure there aren't traces of dough or flour left in any crevices. Just plan to scrub and wash well with only water and let dry completely. Then season with a neutral oil to ensure its longevity before storing. If you have a small kitchen with limited space, the compact size makes storing this appliance easier. Do it yourself. Make your own tortillas, patacones, rotis, empanadas, quesadillas, and arepas at home fast and easy. Great for non-gluten and paleo tortillas too. Pros: affordable, well-made, easy to use, small and compact. Cons: requires more time to clean. Number 2. Central Coast Woodworks Hardwood Tortilla Press. Like many traditional tortilla presses, this handmade press from Central Coast Woodworks is made from wood. Created from a mixture of woods, red oak, and walnut, and finished with stainless steel hardware. This press is durable and designed to last. Producing a thin flour can be difficult with this press, so corn tortillas and other non-gluten flours are recommended. With its beautiful design, you may want to keep it on the counter as a decorative piece. This press is bigger and a bit bulky, so if you have a small kitchen or are limited on space, this may not be the best option. When it comes to cleaning, take extra care as some edges may be rough. Also, be sure to thoroughly dry the wood to avoid the press from warping. Pros: beautiful design, handmade, durable, all hardware is stainless steel. Cons: rough edges. Number 3. Brentwood Electric Stainless Steel Non-Stick Tortilla Maker. Electric tortilla presses are good for flour tortillas as they tend to be more labor-intensive, explains Jinish. The dough for flour tortillas stretches back and as you work with it because of the gluten. This tortilla press makes beautiful 10-inch size tortillas, so it's a great option for bigger size tortillas for burritos, enchiladas, quesadillas, or wraps. Not only does this press your tortilla into a uniform size, but it also cooks them, too. With 1200 watts of power and offering 6 different settings, you can cook your tortillas to your liking, whether soft or crispy. And there's no guessing when your tortilla is done. The light will turn green when it's ready. This electric press is versatile, so if you fancy making chapati, flatbread, or other thin breads, it's all possible. Cleaning up is simple thanks to its non-stick aluminum plates and stainless steel build. Just give it a thorough wipe down and you're good to go. Pros: versatile, easy to clean, no need for plastic between the plates. Cons: presses and cook simultaneously. Number 4. ArcUSA 8-inch Cast Iron Tortilla Press. Many tortilla presses are made with cast iron and for good reason. Ramirez thinks cast iron is the best bet for most home cooks, as the heaviness is a lot of work for you. This model has a slightly bigger plate than many other models, allowing you to make a bigger tortilla for when your cravings lean more burrito than taco. Our tester found the handle to be one of the best features of this press. It is strong and has heft. That made it easy to press down tortillas of various sizes. By controlling how hard you press down on the handle, you are able to control the size and the thickness of the tortillas and other flatbreads. The press was pre-seasoned when it arrived, and unless water was used on it, it stayed seasoned. But each time our tester cleaned it with water, it needed to be dried completely and then seasoned. For corn tortillas, our tester found that using a plastic sheet cut out from a plastic bag worked best and released the tortilla from the press without much trouble. The press worked equally well for making grain-free and gluten-free tortillas. Our tester also used it to roll pita breads and flour tortillas. Pita breads with a well-rested dough turned out nice and even, but the flour tortillas were slightly lopsided. Pros: durable, easy to use, works for both small and large tortillas. Cons: needs upkeep. Number 5. Eleganceinlife 7. 3-inch cast iron tortilla press. Doughs made from corn are typically softer and easier to press than those made from flour. This 7-inch press is a good choice if you're making primarily flour tortillas because its cast iron handle is especially heavy. The design is well balanced, which helps you get the even thickness that can be hard to achieve, especially with flour dough. Alternative flours can be even stiffer, but this press is up to that job as well. Those who make low-carb or paleo-compliant tortillas from flours like coconut, almond, cassava, and more will find this model to be the right tool for the job. In our testing, we were able to press small and medium-sized tortillas with this press. Our tester worked with a well-rested all-purpose flour dough to make the flour tortillas. She was able to press the dough into really thin flour tortillas. The press also worked for making tortillas from cassava flour. It was easy to clean if any dough got on it. For flour tortillas, she didn't have to use a parchment paper or plastic sheet to prevent the tortillas from sticking. The flour tortillas never stuck to the press. Pros: easy to press, works with all flours, produces even thickness. Cons: makes only small and medium tortillas. Look for the link in the description box below. If there is another product on the market or if you found one worth your purchase, let us know in the comment section. If you would like to see a future review, also subscribe to our channel and click the bell icon so you'll know when we upload new videos. Thank you for watching, and we'll see you next time on the channel.